This video is sponsored by AppMaker. Welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything about WordPress. And today we're going to see how we can create custom checkout page and thank you page to a WooCommerce website. Let's get started. Now, for creating custom checkout pages, we need to install a plugin called Cartflows. The link to the website will be in the description. Make sure to check it out. Now we are here on the website and click on download. Now this will download a zip file. Let's head over to dashboard, plugins, add new, click on upload plugin and choose the downloaded file. Click on install now. Now while this installs, let's talk a bit about our sponsor. This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description. Now we're back and click on activate plugin. Now head over to this section Cartflows that has been just created. Click on flows. We're going to create a flow. Click on add new. And as you can see, they're providing several templates for us. We're going to choose a template that suits our website. So this is our checkout page and custom thank you page. Of course, we will edit this with Elementor and click on import flow. Let's say this is click on import flow after naming your flow. Now head over to settings. Click on global checkout and select on the downloaded template. Let's head back to flows. Now we're back on flows. Click on your cart flow. And let's delete this cart flow because we don't want a landing page. Let's click on edit. We're going to edit our checkout page and click on edit with Elementor. Now if you don't know Elementor, don't worry. We will have a detailed tutorial about Elementor in a few days. Make sure to subscribe the channel. Now let's click on update. Let's back to dashboard and check out our checkout page. Let's go to a website. Let's try buying something. Click on add to cart and head over to checkout. Now as you can see, this is now our checkout page, which looks much better than what the theme had to offer. And we can edit this with Elementor. Now let's try creating a thank you page. Head back to Cartflows. Click on flows. And let's edit our thank you page. Click on edit with Elementor once again. Now let's try adding more section. And maybe we want to add products. And as you can see, our products have been added. Make sure not to add all the products. Just one row should be enough. And we're going to give it a heading. Now let's try actually buying product from our website. Let's click on proceed to checkout. As you can see, click on place order. As you can see, this is our custom checkout page. We've added more products to it to attract more customers. This is a really good way of making sale and conversions. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.